Hello, dear subscribers. This is BJ Frey. Tonight, you're about to watch another fantastic episode of The Sharon Cuneta Show, originally broadcast in 1987. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed preparing it for you.
And Viva Television present from the ballroom of Celebrity Sports Plaza, your top-rating musical special, The Sharon Cuneta Show. And here she is, your only megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Good evening Tita Jo.
Good evening siya. Bilib ako doon sa ginawa mo sa'yo. Talagang you caused a commotion.
No problem.
Nagkagulo-gulo rito.
I couldn't see Eric eh. I couldn't see you on my idiot board.
Okay lang.
Kanina lang po kasi namin ginawa because we've been very busy shooting for the movie Walang Karugtong ang Nakaraan dahil showing na po sa
Natapos na
November
rin.
26.
Tapos na rin. Lahat na. Okay. Bali, ilang araw na lang.
Bali, 4.
4 na araw na lang.
Thursday.
Yung Christmas, binabalaan lang ho namin. Kaya mga 34, roughly, mga 34 days before Christmas.
A little over a month na
Kaya
lang.
kailangan trabaho tayo ng trabaho.
Yan. At saka doon po sa Walang Karugtong ang Nakaraan, don't forget, this is my 3rd movie with Christopher De Leon. And I'm so excited. Boy at is boy at
Ano ba yung first movie niyo?
Between Walang Meaning.
And then?
Nung buntis ako.
then?
Tapos kailan sasabihin mahal kita nung nanganak akong mataba ako.
Ito
Tapos
naman,
Walang
ano?
Karugtong ang Nakaraan.
May anak
Payat
ka
na
dito.
ako. May anak pa rin ako.
May anak na.
Pero
Yan. Okay. 26. Akala ko, hindi, mga kaibigan, this is first time.
first time.
Celebrity
Sports
Sports Plaza.
Plaza.
Akala ko, paglipat natin sa celebrity, hindi ko na makikita yung mga cases, grannies, mga the perfect
Kompleto
combination
nga eh.
dyan,
Teka.
mga Sharon Gabi League.
Let's see ha. We have the National Sharon Cuneta,
Oo, ayun, no?
the Mega Star Sharon Cuneta,
May malalayo pa doon,
the Solid Gary Valenciano,
nandito yan.
the Perfect Combination Sharon and Gabby. We have the Sharon Gabby League, the Unbeatable Sharon Gabby,
dami.
Casey's Grannies. I cannot see that.
Ayan.
And Solid Sharon. The Electro Sharon, the Dynamic.
Meron pa pang hindi nabanggit na nandun. Meron na pala ngayon nun.
Alin?
The National Sharon Cuneta Police Department. Kompleto. Sa dami ng fans mo, hindi mo na alam.
Next year nga ako yung Fire Department.
Pagpapagawa na kayo ng poster nyo. Pabalik tayo na sa sinabi ko kanina siya. Ito magandang message ni Tita Sharon sa inyo. Dahil malapit na nga ang Pasko. Yung iba, kapag magpapasko lang, tsaka lang nagtatrabaho ng gusto.
Oo nga, hindi ho dapat ganun.
Yan.
Dapat all year round. Tapos sa Christmas yung fruits ng inyong labor for the whole year.
Pero may napansin ka ba, Tita Sharon? Kayo, mga kaibigan, na sa buhay natin, mas madalas tayong we are earning a living kaysa yung enjoying life.
You know, that's true. That's why it's important to have time for play as much as you have time for work. Di ba?
Hindi. Tsaka kung mabagawa mong enjoyin yung trabaho mo, mapagsabay mo yung dalawa, yung enjoying life and earning a living, di mas magaling.
Tsaka hindi naman ho kayo makakatrabaho ng magaling kung hindi ninyo ini-enjoy yung ginagawa ninyo.
Kailangan mahal mo yung work mo.
Ganon. Anyway, we're so glad to have you back with us on this beautiful Sunday evening, Tito Joey. And for the first time, the Sharon Cuneta is here at the Celebrity Sports Plaza Ballroom. And this Sunday evening is especially beautiful, especially because we have top-rated entertainers like Christopher De Leon. We also have Shetty Hill. And ito, alam mo, lahat ng nandito ngayong gabi, puro favorites ko eh.
Ayan mo!
Problema mo.
Mahirap mag-share.
Okay. Gary Valenciano! Idol talaga. At ang isa ko pang idol, si Kule Desma! Ano mga kaibigan? Paano ba naman ako makakatulog mamayang gabi dahil itong show natin ay puno ng aking favorite?
Kaya nga eh, first time natin celebrity, kaya kailangan matindi.
Ayan. Ayan. And before we go on, I would like to thank the Backstreet Dancers and Eric Edjolin for doing our choreography every Sunday. Thank you, Eric. They're all working very hard with us here. And for tonight, James Cooper for my hair and makeup.
Why God?
Oh, si Pasan.
Nag-aayos kila,
Oh, si
kila Brooke
James.
Shields.
And, of course, Ingaw Sari Sari for all my outfits on the show.
Okay.
And with that,
Quality Entertainment, ladies and gentlemen, continues here on the show. This time with an exceptionally soothing ballad
Teka.
from one of the hottest male singers.
you know, Tito Joy, he made me a song for my new LP.
Itong papakilala natin.
Oo. The title of the song is Hindi na Muli. And
Teka, sandali.
ginawa ni Gary Valenciano.
Yan bang hindi na muli eh, parang...
Ha?
parang yun na ba ang kasagutan mo sa mga nangyayari sa...
Hindi, ganito. Ginawa ni Gary yung kanta. Ang title, Hindi na Muli. Tapos gumawa siya ng kanta, Sana'y Maulit Muli. So I wanna hear it. Ladies and gentlemen,
May parto agad.
oo nga eh, one of the hottest male singers, Tita Joey, my idol, Gary Valenciano. Woo!
nagkaganito? Naglaho na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Ulit-ulit, sana bigyan pansin ko. Kahapon, bukas, ngayon, tanging wala nang ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong iwan ka, di na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana. Sana aasa pa. Kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana. Ito ang tanging nais ko, ang ating kahapon. Sana di na sana aasa pa. Kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kaya kong iwan ako, di na sana aasa pa. Kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Mahal pa rin kita. Oh, giliw. Oh,
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, of course we have here with us Mr. Gary Valenciano.
Good evening, everybody. It's nice to be back here. You know, I've always really wanted to perform in a Sharon Cuneta show with a stage like this.
Yeah.
Lalong-lalo na mamaya.
Ay, mamaya ho, abangan ninyo
Mamaya,
yung production
just
number.
stay tuned because there's a lot more to come your way.
Yeah, and when the stage kasi is this big, it's nice to play around.
There's a lot
It's
you
nice
can
to
do
move.
talaga.
Yeah, and especially later with the dancers and all. You watch out po for our number.
So yung ang beauty ni Gary pang stage talaga.
Oh, ay, si Gary pa naman. Gary, so, what's new with you?
Well, no, actually, there are quite a lot of new things that I'm doing. One is, yun nga, yung concert on
And-
December 18 and 19 entitled
Right.
Pure Energy,
This is gonna be at
the Folk Arts Theater.
And I heard that Gary recorded an album in the States. Is that true?
Yes, well, it's not finished yet eh. Actually, yung mga musikero na I worked with are coming here after Christmas para matapos yung vocals dito sa Manila.
Talaga. So where is this album going to be released?
Well, if everything goes as planned, the album will be released by March or
And
April
where?
in the States.
International. In the
In the
States.
States na.
Master
Under...
Sharon, bakit kayong dalawa hindi pa kayo nagko-concert?
Uy, nag-concert
Uy,
ka na,
naman,
Hindi.
ikaw ha?
Marami kayo.
Yung pinakaunang concert ni Gary, doon ko
Shasha
pa naging
Padilla, eh.
kaibigan si Shasha. Doon ka
Hindi, ang ibig ko sabihin, yung back-to-back talaga kayo. Yung kayo lang.
dream ko yun.
Hindi kasi,
Ako talagang concert talaga eh.
pinag-aralan ko yan pare. Yung mga back-to-back, pakinggan nyo ha. Kung si Ku, tsaka ikaw, medyo matapang ang dating eh. Shaku. Parang Chaku eh. Di ba? Ngayon, pag si Ku, tsaka si Gary, Cougar. Parang ano pare, tigre, di ba? Cougar. Eh, yung Sharon tsaka Gary, pinaka-sweet eh. Shagar. Parang nilalagay sa kape eh.
Alam ko sasabihin mo, Shano.
Shano.
Shagar.
Wala
Ang
ka
tamis.
Sweet,
How sweet, ano?
Sweet, no?
I'd like to thank though some very, very special people who've helped me with the concert, and I have them all right here. Coca-Cola,
Ayun na.
Plaza Fair, Agfa Film, Jollibee, and Levi's. And I'd like to greet the National Fan Club this year. And Lynn, advance happy birthday.
Happy
Maraming
birthday.
salamat. And then you can get your tickets at selected national bookstore outlets, Jollibee, Plaza Fair, Fair Center, and Fair Mart. In selected outlets of the ones I just mentioned, you can get your tickets there. And the tickets are out already, so you can get your tickets.
Ayan.
Pero Sharon, I will
Ay,
never
sorry.
forget
What?
what Joey just said, the back-to-back of concert.
The Shagar?
The sweetest cancer in the whole world. Cancer. Naging cancer. Cancer.
Hi, Gary. I will never forget that either.
Eh, lalo pa
Let's do it
ngayon.
tomorrow.
Kasi alam mo, Gary, madalas si Kwento to, idol ka niya. Tapos, ginawan mo siya ng songs. Songs, di ba?
Yeah,
Songs.
hindi na muli.
Isang song, hindi na muli.
Diba? Diba?
Hindi, ano ba naging inspiration mo when you wrote Hindi na Muli? Did you have... Hindi, sa totoo lang, you're on the spot, Gary.
Okay. No, actually, a lot of inspiration from friends, from special friends. And, hindi, kasi if you listen, dapat when she records it, dapat marinig na lang nila yung lyrics ng kanta. And then they'll know where I got my inspiration. Yes, talaga. But, of course, di ba, usually, pag di na muli, sana maulit-muli, these are songs that talk about love. So the song is basically about that.
You know, I'm laughing because I'm so excited about the song.
Ako rin.
Ay, let's sing the Pagkikinig siya. Ruben, enough already. I will flash you na.
Parang sinequence sa kanya, no?
Minemedley yung mga kanta na. Oy, don't forget, the title of our song is Di Na Muli. Hindi sana maulit-muli.
And then let's do the Di na muli. Okay, but that's just the refrain.
Refrain?
Di na muli, maaari pang ibigin, di na maibabalik ang dating pag-ibig. Hanggang kailan ito dapat pang pigilin, hanggang pangarap na lang ba na ikaw ay makakapili.
The album Sharon was referring to is For Broken Hearts Only. I absolutely love this album. Every single song on it is beautiful and full of emotion. One standout track is Gary Valenciano's Hindi na Muli. It's such a powerful song, carrying a similar melody and emotional depth as his classic hit, Sana Maulit Muli.
Nabibitin ako!
Kaya alam mo yung songs, seriously, alam nyo, ako rin, the songwriter. Alam nyo, may mga passages sa mga kanta na hindi makakalimutan talaga.
Yeah.
Yun ang heart of the song.
Yes.
There are just, minsan, sometimes, what makes a song is that one line, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
The whole song, di ba? 3 minutes ang
Ano
kanta.
uli yung favorite line mo dun sa ginawa?
Heto ako nananabik, minsan mo nang pinaibig. Mahagkan ka, kahit na sa huling sandali.
May pag-asa.
Ano itong sigaw ng puso ko? Paano na ngayong wala ka na?
Yun, patay na eh.
Yun. Sakit, ano?
Yeah.
Ano talaga.
Well, actually, when I write songs, lalo na pag talagang inspired and, you know, sometimes, di ba, I'm sure ganun ka rin,
Oo,
Joey, di ba?
siyempre.
When you write a song, kahit
gusto ko
comedy ang mga kanta, pag basta't,
Oo.
basta't inspired ka, tuloy-tuloy talaga, di ba?
Pero
When you start
Gary
writing.
talaga, I look up to
May
Gary.
tatanong lang ako sa'yo, Tita Sharon. Gusto rin siguro tanongin ng mga fans mo tsaka ni Gary. Sumulat ka na ng song?
Oo.
Anong song to? Hindi, Manong Melon.
Dalawa kasama dun sa bago kong LP din. Kasama nung
Ikaw ang
kanta-
sumulat mismo.
Oo.
May kasama ka o solo mo lang?
Ako lang.
Anong title?
Now that you're gone, at saka maybe someday.
Ano yung pangalawa?
Maybe someday
Hindi.
you realize that you belong with me and look into
Yeah.
my eyes again and say, baby, I'll stay. And this time it'll never
May
rain.
baby, no? Talagang may baby na.
Interestingly, Sharon herself composed 2 songs on this album, Now That You're Gone and Maybe Someday. I believe these songs were inspired by the emotional aftermath of her breakup with Gabby Conception.
Hindi, which is true.
Both tracks are heartfelt, deeply moving, and performed with such sincerity and grace by Sharon Cuneta.
Yung hindi na muli.
Gary pa rin siya.
Galing talaga ng utak ni Gary.
Thank you. Thank you.
At sana'y nakikinig siya.
No, I'd like to also greet the people of Advanced Micro Devices. So, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. I'd like also to remind the people that I'm doing a new movie now, titled Ibulong Mo Sa Diyos with Vilma Santos.
yeah.
And it will be out maybe by January, so watch out for that. But then again, please don't forget to watch Pure Energy with Jaja Padilla and Jano Gibbs on December 18 and 19. Bakit?
Dapat nandun ako.
Kasi, alam mo naman, sige, sa inyo lang to.
Ulit muli.
Oy, masama yung dalawa lang. Kasi pag tatlo, I love you. Pag binigay ito ng ano, ang ibig sabihin niyan I'll go. I'll go,
Ikaw ah.
Pag bumalik ka tatlo ulit, I'll come back. Ang gulo nyo!
I'm so proud. And I'm so happy for Gary. I'm so proud of how far he's come. And
Well, you know, one thing is, I might have come pretty far in show business, pero kung hindi dahil sa kanya, di wala rin ako, no?
only because of him.
And of course, kung hindi dahil sa mga tao na katulad niyong lahat, I wouldn't even be sitting here, you know, talking to all of you. And again, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat for all the support.
Time goes by. And when two lovers meet, they say I love you. On that you can rely. No matter what the future brings, as time goes
like you to welcome the cast of the movie Walang Karugtong ang Kahapon from Viva Films. Mula sa banda doon, inayos po namin pakilala, isang magandang bata na kasama sa pelikulang Walang Karugtong ang Kahapon, Catherine Gonzalez. Walang karugtong ang nakaraan. Okay, walang karugtong ang nakaraan. At narito po ang isang baguhang artista, mga kaibigan. At siya po'y naka-asul at ang JC Megastar. JC Megastar. James Cooper.
Mga kaibigan, nininervous po ako kasi yung first movie ko ito eh.
First movie.
Opo.
Okay, after how many movies? Si Sharon ko. Ayan po.
Hindi, ayan. We will talk about walang karugtong.
Yeah, walang karugtong ang nakaraan. At syempre pa yung katabi ko, alam niyo naman pag De Leon, hindi kayo pwede magkamali. Best De Leon.
There's only one.
Hindi ho totoo na ako ang tatay ni Boyet. Ang katotohanan nun, may relasyon kami, pero ako po ang ina. Ina. Boyet De Leon. Boyet.
Yes, sir. Good evening po, all of you. Sorry. Good evening to you.
Hiwas-hiwas.
Sabi mo, good evening, Mami.
Pare, may sabihan ng mga tuloy. Tungkol kay Sharon to, pare. Dahil third movie nyo na to together. Bituwing Walang Ningning, and then this, yan. Ngayon, yung isang movie, tapos ngayon, Walang Karugtong Nakaraan. Ano ang, kumusta si Sharon ngayon compared to the first two movies? Ano, as an actress, anong kaibahan? May nagbago ba? Or?
She's, of
Bukod sa buhok ang nagbago.
bukod si Cooper, gumaga. No, but she's getting better and better and deeper. Deeper ang emotions and deeper ang...
Kasi kaya ako tinanong si Boy.
More professional. Lagi akong pinagagalitan sa set.
Baliktad na. Oo, baliktad. Kasi Boyet, kilala niyo naman, matindi ito, dramaturgo ito, kaya ako tinanong. So, mas matindi, mas intense ang...
Mas intense.
Yeah.
Mas intense. And she's doing it better now, and I'm sure the movie is going to be very intense and very exciting. Of course.
How is working with Christopher De Leon?
No, Boyet
Working.
Boyet has always been naman a very nice co-star ever since naman. But I learn a lot from him every time. Tsaka si Boyet, masarap yung mga tsokolate niya pag nagtatapo kami, gano'n.
Lagi kasi si
Catherine, may tatanong ko sa'yo, bago natin balikan yung tita natin, no? Sino pa ang mga kasama niyo sa movies?
Sila Chanda Romero, Nati Santiago, Johnny Wilson, Ronaldo Valdez, tsaka marami pa.
Yan. Umiyak ka dito? Marami kang iyak?
Marita
Oo,
Sobel is
marami.
also here.
Madami. Who directed the movie?
Ha?
Sino si direct?
Directed the movie.
Leroy Salvador.
Yung sumisigaw daw, sabi ni Boyet, mababa ko niya yan.
Sabi ni Catherine,
Very good. He's a very good director.
Balimbing, bumaliktad bigla.
no, but you know, it's, I just want to say that it's always been my honor whenever I would be given the chance to work with Christopher. And
Thank you.
like I said, there's only one Christopher De Leon. And up to this time, Boyet, you're still my idol when it comes to the actors, ha?
Wala ko kang ganyan. Okay.
Big feelings.
Iba talaga eh. Yan, ngayon, pag sinabi mo,
Thank you.
dramahan, Sharon, muntik na ako madulas ha, Sharon Boyet. Matindi yan. Kantahan, Sharon Gabi. Sharon. Sharon! Kamali ako talaga. Hindi ko alam. Patawarin ko kayo na. Hindi. Sharon Gary. England.
Hindi. Pero yung movie namin, hindi pa napapag-usapan masyadong part ni Boyet. Pero ang laki-laki ng part ni Boyet talaga dito. It's the story of two people who, basta mahaba.
Joy, yung marami kami kasama dito, like, very good, all very good performers. Ronaldo Valdez,
Tommy Abuel,
Tommy Abuel,
Johnny Wilson, Marita
Yes.
Sobel,
And of
Nati
course,
Santiago, and Catherine, of course.
both of us learn from these people also. And
Baka siguro si Eileen, tsaka si Brenda. Si Berto Leon. Nakapila agad yun.
Eileen ha, Brenda.
Nakapila agad yun. Basta may pelikula.
Catherine is very wonderful, very,
Nakakatuwa.
very good. I'm sure
Magaling.
she's going to be very good.
And you know why this is nice? This is my third movie this is our third movie together, no? Pero in between Walang Ningning, we became lovers in the end. In Kailan Sasabing Mahal Kita, it was the same thing. Diba? It was very slow. Dito ang storya, somewhere in the beginning, ayan na, we meet and then we get married, pero nandun ang kung
Mas
paano
kompleto
mangyayari. Mas kompleto.
presentation.
It's really a love story. It's simple but beautiful.
Pero ang can I change
Yeah.
but every time I come in, of course, I come in late. These two,
Don't talk to
pinapatay
him.
ako ng pinapatay.
Ayun.
Chocolate, laruan.
Ano yan? Sa set yan, sa set. Hindi sa movie.
De, pero siya naman yung kahapon nga wedding scene eh. Oo, yung kasal namin eh. Oo, natuloy din naman.
Hindi, mabuti pa pakita natin sa kanila eh. Meron kaming special trailer dito nung Walang Karugtong Nakaraan.
Ito po ang trailer, mga kaibigan.
Panoorin po natin.
Dito po na nakita si Rosana. Dito ko siya nakilala. Nagpipinta siya noon. Dito rin ako nagtapat sa kanya. Dito rin kami nagpakasal. Malo, gusto kong sabihin sa'yo ang mga sinabi ko sa kanya noon.
Ronick,
Gusto kitang pakasalan.
si Rosana ang nakikita mo sa akin. Hindi mo pa ako lubusang nakikilala, Ronick.
Kailangan ka ng aking anak. Kailangan kita. May babalik mo ang tuwa sa aming buhay. Muli mong bubuhayin ang aming mga pangarap. Muli mong durugtungan ang nakaraan.
In the tradition of unforgettable romantic dramas, Viva Films brings you a beautiful love story that will remain in your heart. Walang karugtong ang nakaraan. You'll feel the conflicts of a woman in love with a man who sees her as living image of his past.
Natatakot ako, Tess. Parang binubuhay lang ni Ronick si Rosana sa pagkatao ko. Parang tinutuloy lang niya ang nakaraan.
Ngayon ka pa ba naman aatras? Ang importante, matutupad mo na ang pangarap mo. Magpaanod ka na lang sa Agos. Saka ka na lang lumangoy sa bandang malalim.
Baka hindi ko alam na nalulunod na pala ako, Tess.
And you'll experience the love that can erase the darkness of the past to give light to the present.
Bukod dyan, gusto kong gamitin mo ang mga ito.
Mami? Alam mo, kamukha ka ng mami ko. Di ba, Daddy?
Viva Films returns to the screen the dramatic blockbuster combination of Christopher De Leon and Sharon Cuneta in Walang Karugtong ang Nakaraan. Also starring Chanda Romero, Ronaldo Valdez, Tommy Abuel, Ali Soto, Catherine Gonzalez, and Carmi Martin. Walang Karugtong ang Nakaraan.
Sinabi ko na sa'yo, walang mangyayari sa obsession mo kay Rosana. Look what you got into. Nagpakasal ka sa isang prostitute. Biruin mo naman. Pinakasalan mo siya, binigyan mo ng pangalan, binalutan ng ginto't kayamanan. Yun pala, bayaran lang for all. Bakit ba, Hil? Ano ba ang ginagawa?
Huwag ka na magkaila. Alam ko lang lahat.
Hil, ano ba?
Alam ko lang
Ano
lahat.
ba?
Ang galing!
Ronick,
Tama pala ang mga nababalitaan ko. Ikaw marunong ka mabuhay, no? Basta sa tamang presyo, kahit ano gagawin mo. Ang galing sa putik, babalik at babalik sa pinanggalingang putikan.
Ronick! Ronick!
Oh.
Hil! Hil! Tama na! Tama na! Ano ba? Tama na! Walang kahulugan ang nakita mo, pero lagi kang nagdududa. Umalis ka na! Umalis ka na!
walang karugtong ang nakaraan. It's obsession. It's passion. It's love. Walang karugtong ang nakaraan. An unforgettable romantic drama from Viva Films.
Huwag ka nang umate! Niloko mo kami. Binilog mo ang ulo ni Gretchen. Pinagsamantala mo ang pagtitiwala namin sa'yo. Nagpagkat ka malinis. Yung pala. Papakaw ka ba sa basura?
Ronick, hindi!
Huwag ka nang umate ng parang santa. Isa kang...
Ronick, please, pakinggan mo ako.
Directed by Leroy Salvador.
Ng iyong sinta, nagmamahal, nayayanig sa lamig. Naririnig ang dating himig na may lambing sa lilim ng damdamin nito. Sumasamo sa puso mo, isipin ko lang ating nagdaang Pasko. Sapat na ang pagdiriwang, kapiling ka na tuwing sasapit ang Pasko. Sa tamis ng ating suyuan, ang liwanag ng paligid na mamasdan. Kahit walang ang tanging ilaw ngayon, naghahayag laman ng aking loob. Isipin ko lang ating nagdaang Pasko. Sapat na ang pagdiriwang, kapiling ka na tuwing sasapit ang Pasko. Sa tamis ng ating suyuan pitak ng puso ay iisang Pasko. Isipin ko lang ating nagdaang Pasko. Sapat na ang pagdiriwang, kapiling ka na tuwing sasapit ang Pasko. Sa tamis ng ating suyuan, isipin ko lang ating nagdaang Pasko. Sapat na ang pagdiriwang, kapiling ka na tuwing sasapit ang Pasko. Sa tamis ng ating suyuan,
Back to the Sharon Cuneta Show, mga kaibigan. Yung narinig niyo umawit kanina, merong sorpresa sa inyo. Especially yung mga nakakaisip mag-regalo for Christmas. And itong package na ito na dala niya, it's about Christmas. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome back Miss Kula Desma.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Hello, Joey. Hello, Tonton.
At siyempre ba, pakilala ko muna yung nasa kanan ni siya ni Kula Desma. Cool na cool naman, mga kaibigan. Tonton Gutierrez.
Sir,
Good evening.
Tita ko, ano ba itong hawak-hawak ko
I'd
dyan?
like to tell them about my first Christmas album. And this one opens like a package like this, no?
Uy.
This
Uy!
by Rhea
Si ano?
Records. And my daughter is with me. She's singing the first part of the record, side A. So it's going to be at Musicland, and it's going to open. Musicland is going to open this coming Friday, no? And you will see this there, and also in the other recording stores. And then I'd like to invite all of you guys to come to my show December 2, Ramada Hotel. And this is going to be parang a sequel to my show After the Rain. The title is Feeling Again. So we'll see you there December 2.
Yan. Ito meron na. Meron na to.
Oo, lalabas na ito this week, no?
Yan.
It's out this week.
Si baby mo ba mahilig kumanta? Kumakanta rin?
May tono, may tono.
May tono, ah. Yan, Tonton. Tonton is here to greet
Viva.
Viva.
It's 6th anniversary.
Yeah.
And also, I'm here to promote Walang Karugtong kahapon. Showing on the 26th of November. Kaya actually, hindi ako kasama dito. Ano lang ako dito.
Malapit na yung next movie ni Tonton. He'll be shooting come December.
This coming
To be shown
December.
next year.
Hopefully, we're going to start a new project.
Okay. So, thank you very much, Tonton.
Thank you very much.
Would you like to add something? 1 + 1 = 2 or ano?
Well, just get yourself a copy of this because it's really fun-filled. And I hope to see you December 2, Ramada Hotel.
Okay, Ramada Hotel, December 2 at yung album. Thank you again. Ito pa meron pang karugtong to. Itong ginagawa ko ng concert kasi wala ka kanina. Sabi ko doon sa lalaki, huwag kayong magsama ng concert ni Ku. Dahil matapang ang dating Cougar eh. Kaya pinagsama ko siya ni siya. Medyo mas-sweet naman. Siya, matamis eh. So ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome back Gary Valenciano and Sharon Cuneta.
So slowly into hearts of men who need more than they can. They like this old lady to old woman who had been too many days. The mirror stares you in the face and says, baby, it don't work. You said your words, now you don't care. You dancing, say for her, dance. Boogie Wonderland. fantasize. All your dreams will come true. Run and we'll live together until the cloud of never. Our voices will ring forever as one. Do you remember? It's when it was nice, September. Love was changing our minds, September us, while I'm chasing the clouds away. Our hearts are ringing in the key that our souls were singing, as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away. Say that you remember, dancing in September, never was a cloudy day. Ba-doo, 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 my folks are with you, holding hands with your heart to see you. Only blue talking love, remember how we knew love was here to stay. Now December, time of love, I said September. Only blue talking love, remember the true love we shared today. Shine a light for you to see what your life can truly be. Shine a light for you to see what your life can truly be. Sing a song. Sing a song. Sing a
How time flies.
Oo, Tita Jo. It's time to say goodbye again. But before we do, I'd like to invite them once again. Lahat po kayo, sana ho, supportahan niyo ho ulit ang pelikula po namin ni Boy at ang Walang Karugtungang Nakaraan. It's a beautiful love story and we dedicate it to you. It's showing on November 26. Kasama rin pala ho namin si Carmi Martin at syempre po si Chanda Romero.
Yeah, I guarantee you. Ako na nagkasabi. It's a beautiful movie. Sa kwento-kwento pa lang sa akin, dahil crashes pa lang napanood ko eh. It's a beautiful movie, one of your best.
Thank you.
Walang karugtungang nakaraan.
Hindi po namin kayo i-disappoint. So go see it po. Manonood ba kayo? Talaga? And I'd like to thank Eileen of Dynamic. Thank you very much. That's very inspiring.
Tita siya, bago mo awitin yung theme song nung Walang Karugtungang Nakaraan, pwede bang umano muna ako? Kasi...
Aalis ka? Pero iimbitahin muna kita at saka sila na dumalaw sa Krista Boutique.
Oh, sige.
Sa second floor ng Makati
Hindi na ako
Creekside
pwedeng
Building.
mahuli. Pipila pa ako
Oh,
eh.
sige.
Walang karugtungan na karaan.
Okay,
Magkita-kita
so
tayo.
thank you. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to say goodbye once again. But before I go, I'd like to sing for you the theme song of our latest movie, of course, starring yours truly and Christopher De Leon. It's a beautiful movie. Don't miss it on November 26. Walang Karugtong ang Nakaraan. Brought to you by Viva Films. Happy anniversary, Viva. This song is for you. God bless you, everybody. I love you.
Thank you guys for watching another full episode of TSCS. Feel free to leave comment down below, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you from BJ Free. See you next time.